Hello all, welcome to the day 35 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Amit is planning to buy a house and the layout is given below. The design and the measurement has been made such that the areas of two bedrooms and kitchen together is 95 square meter. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Question 1. Form the pair of linear equations in two variables from this situation. From the diagram, we get the length of this rectangle as 15 meter. The side parallel to this 15 meter has been given in three parts, x, 2 and y. So from this, we get x plus y plus 2 is equal to 15, x plus y is equal to 13. This is equation 1. Then another statement given in the question is, the areas of two bedrooms and kitchen together is 95 square meter. That is area of bedroom 1 plus area of bedroom 2 plus area of kitchen is 95. The dimensions of bedroom 1 is x and 5. Same way for bedroom 2 it's x and 5, and for kitchen it is 5 and y. So 5x plus 5x plus 5y is 95. 10x plus 5y is 95. Dividing the entire equation by 5, we get 2x plus y is equal to 19. This is second equation. So we have framed two equations for this situation. Question 2. Find the length of the outer boundary of the layout. So this means that we have to get the perimeter of this layout. To get the perimeter, we have to know the value for x and y. To get that, we have to solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. I go in for elimination method. Equation 2 minus equation 1, that is 2x plus y is 19 minus x plus y is equal to 13. On subtracting, we get x is equal to 6. Substituting x value in equation 1, we get 6 plus y is 13. So y is equal to 7. Length of the outer boundary is equal to 2 times 15 plus 2 times the breadth is 5, 2 and 5, which is 12. That is 30 plus 24, which is 54 meters. Question 3. Find the area of each bedroom and kitchen in the layout. Area of bedroom is 5x, which is nothing but 5 times 6, that is 30 square meter. And area of kitchen is 5y, that is 5 times 7, which is 35 square meter. Question 4. Find the area of living room in the layout. Suppose if we consider this rectangle, the dimensions of this rectangle is 15 meter and the breadth is 2 plus 5, which is 7. From this rectangle, if we eliminate this bedroom's area, then we get the living room's area. Area of living room is equal to 15 times 7 minus area of that bedroom 2, which is 105, and area of bedroom 2 is 30. This gives us 75 square meter. Question 5. Find the cost of laying tiles in kitchen at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. Cost of laying the tiles is total area of the kitchen into the cost per square meter. Area of kitchen is 35 and cost per square meter is 50, which is 1750 rupees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.